Hey guys, Stacy here with Life's a Project. So today's project is making a rag wreath, and for those of you that don't know what that is, it's pretty much taking strips of fabric and tying it onto a wreath form. So I pretty much had everything I needed for this project. This material you see here, I actually purchased it a few years back, left over from a past project, and it was the fall theme, kind of fall Thanksgiving designs with the pumpkins, leaves, corn, and turkeys. So a perfect time of year to make this now that it's November. So you can see this wreath form here. It's a 14-inch one. That's the only thing I didn't have for this project. I just picked it up at the Dollar Tree for $1. So the first thing that I need to do is cut my fabric into strips that measure 1.5 inches wide by 8 inches long, and that can take some time because I have 3 yards of fabric, 1 yard of each design. So to make this process a whole lot faster, I have my cutting mat and my rotary cutter. It's a Fiskars brand, and then I have a clear ruler. So it's really simple. All you do is take your fabric and lay it onto the cutting mat, and you just line it up because there are measurements there in inches, and then you take the ruler and lay it on top and line it up as well, and then your rotary cutter just run it right along the edge of the ruler, cutting your strips. So if you don't have this kind of setup and you only have some scissors, that is fine too. It just may take you a little bit longer to get your strips cut, but it all works. So I'm going to go ahead and get my strips cut out. So I've just finished cutting all of my strips. You can see the 3 different designs, and I have one of each laying out here on the mat just to show you the 1.5 inches wide by 8 inches long. And then I also have my 14-inch wired wreath form ready to go. So all I have to do is tie on the strips. So there's probably many different ways that you can tie on your strips, but this is the way that I like to do it. I like to take my first strip and tie it onto the center 2 rings. So you can see this wreath form is made up of 4 rings. So you tie your first strip onto the center 2 rings, tie your basic knot, and then slide it up. So your second strip of fabric, pretty much the same thing, except you are tying it onto your inner 2 rings. So same thing, just your basic knot. You're tying it onto the inner 2 rings, and then the same thing, just sliding it up to the top. And so next you want to take your third strip of fabric and you want to tie it onto your outer 2 rings. So this strip goes on to the outer 2 rings. And then you just keep repeating the process. Tie this piece into a knot, and then you slide it up. And I think this way, this method, helps to make your wreath really kind of full and uniform. And that's pretty much it. You just keep repeating that. So you can see I have about 1/4 of this wreath done, and I think it's looking really pretty, and I just love all the pretty fall colors. And I just wanted to show you one more time. I have 3 strips tied on. So you can see the first one in the center 2 rings, and then the inner 2 rings, and this one on the outer 2 rings. And then you just slide each piece up, really simple. So I'm just going to keep on going and get this thing done. So here it is done, and this is a back view because I thought it looked really neat from the back, so I wanted to show you what it looks like. So it did take me a few hours that first day, and I started on it late, so I finished it up the next day, and it took me a couple hours. So I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like hanging on the wall. So guys, here it is finished hanging in my entryway on the wall, and the lighting is not the brightest in this area, so I hope you can see how pretty this wreath turned out and how pretty the fall colors look. I'm just so happy with it, and so I hope you give this project a try. It does take a little time, but it's super easy and super worth it that you can use this wreath year after year. And so just use what you have, you know, any little scraps of fabric, extra ribbon, you can just cut it up and tie it on there. And you can see I am in the entryway of my home, and you can see the lanterns that I decorated for the fall in a past video. So I was just adding this little wreath to the mix. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give this project a try. I hope you are subscribed to my channel so you can follow me on future projects. See you in the next one. Bye.